Village life is peaceful and serene, offering a stark contrast to the hustle and bustle of city living. The air in villages is fresher and less polluted, contributing to a healthier lifestyle. Villages are surrounded by lush green fields, providing a beautiful and natural landscape. People in villages often wake up to the sound of birds chirping and roosters crowing. Community bonds are strong in villages, with neighbors often knowing each other well. Festivals and celebrations in villages are vibrant and filled with traditional customs. Agriculture is the primary occupation in most villages, with residents working on farms. Villages have a slower pace of life, allowing for a more relaxed and stress-free existence. Children in villages often play outdoor games, enjoying the open spaces and fresh air. Village markets are lively places where people buy and sell local produce and handmade goods. Houses in villages are typically simple and built using local materials. Villagers often grow their own vegetables and fruits, promoting self-sufficiency. The night sky in villages is clear, allowing for a spectacular view of stars. Animals like cows, goats, and chickens are commonly found in village households. Water sources such as wells, ponds, and rivers are integral to village life. Villagers often cook meals using fresh ingredients and traditional methods. Folk music and dance are popular forms of entertainment in villages. Schools in villages are often small, with a close-knit community of students and teachers. Villagers celebrate harvest seasons with joy and gratitude, marking the end of hard work. Handicrafts made by villagers are often unique and reflect local culture and traditions. Life in villages follows the rhythm of nature, with activities aligned with sunrise and sunset. Village elders are respected and play a crucial role in guiding and advising the community. Festivals like Diwali, Holi, and Pongal are celebrated with great enthusiasm in villages. Traditional medicine and home remedies are commonly used for treating ailments in villages. Villagers often participate in communal activities, strengthening social ties. Village roads are usually narrow and unpaved, adding to the rustic charm. During evenings, villagers gather to share stories and experiences, fostering a sense of unity. Village life teaches simplicity, resilience, and the importance of living in harmony with nature.